Today's Daily Dose of Math is an example of using the median-median method to find the equation of the regression line from a table of values that goes with a scatter plot. Here we have a table of values. The first thing that we did was to make sure that the table's points are arranged in increasing order of x, with the y's staying with their x's. Then we divided our table into three smaller tables, trying to make the smaller tables as close to the same size as possible. In this case, we had 13 points, so it was impossible to make them all the same size. But we followed the next rule, which is if one of the tables is a different size than the other, the different sized one should be in the middle. So we have 5 points in our middle table. The next thing to do is to start finding the medians of the x's and the medians of the y's for each of the tables. So we have to find 6 medians. Starting with the x's of the first table, we need to find the median, which is going to be the average of the two middle points because we have an even number of points. So we have to find the average of 1 and 2, which is 1.5. With the y's, we want to find the average of the two middle y values. But these y values are not in increasing order. We have to reorder them. So we arrange them like this. And then we find the average of the two middle y values, which is the average of 2 and 3. That's 2.5. We take these two averages, these two medians, and we arrange them into a point that we call M1. The median of the x's is 1.5, and that is our x-coordinate for M1. The median of the y's is 2.5, and that's going to be our y-coordinate. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other two smaller tables. What's different here is this middle table has an odd number of points. It has 5. So the median is going to be the middle value. We don't have to average something. In this case, since the x values are already in increasing order, it's easy to see that the middle value is a 4. But the y values are not in increasing order. We have to reorder them. And then we can see that the middle value is a 7. We arrange the 4 and the 7 in the same way that we did for point M1 into point M2. Now for our last table. The x values are already in increasing order, so we need to find the average of 7 and 8 in order to find our median of this even-numbered collection of values. The average of 7 and 8 is 7.5. The y-coordinates are not in increasing order, so we have to reorder them again. And we do it like this. Therefore, we're finding the average of 9 and 10 to find our median. And that's 9.5. We arranged the 7.5 and the 9.5 into our point M3. And we're ready to move on to the next part of the process of the median-median method. But finding these medians was today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.